Here we are, we've come so far, all alone, you still want home. I know that feel, but let's be real, see what you have. Good food, good drinks, good friends, bad laughs, so I know you're driven, but look what you've been given. Is what you have to do really worth all this to you? You're not alone, you've got this old bag of bones to help you through, show you what to do. I'm rooting for your kid, always will and always did. Hey kid, sit down. Let me tell you a story. I sit at my post, down in the snow. It's raining somewhere, I don't know. I look for humans, it's such a bore. But then one day I see this door. So I go to this door, practice knock-knock jokes. Just some fun, nothing more, just jokes. Knock 'em dead, knock 'em out like my life's a joke. Then I hear a voice. Who's there? I reply. Dishes. Dishes who? Dishes a very, very bad knock-knock joke. Then she howls, cause she's heard in years. I keep going, she keeps laughing at my jokes. Then I hear her voice. Knock, knock, who's there? Old lady who? I didn't know you could yodel. Telling jokes there for hours in the snow. Then I had to go. I came back the next day, the day after that. It's a thing like a story for my bro. Tell bad jokes through a door, laugh your fears away. Cause it's raining somewhere. Then one day I told jokes, couldn't hear her laugh. I asked her what was wrong that day. I heard tears weeping coming through the door. Then I heard her voice. If a human never comes through the door, would you promise me just one thing? Watch over, protect the one who comes through the door. Would you do this for me? I hate making promises and I don't know her name. So I sat and thought it was raining somewhere. That's a laugh. But someone who could laugh at an awful joke. You just can't say no, can't laugh it off. Thanks to her, true promises and awful jokes, here you stand today. Lighten up, I'll be there, I will keep you safe. Look at you, standing strong at a boy. Guess that's all, so take care of yourself, kiddo, because someone cares. It's raining somewhere.